1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1.
Okay, 12 o'clock, 5 past 12, 10 past 12, 15 past 12, 20 past 12, 25 past 12,
Pardon?
quarter to 12.
Pardon? Go back to that one.
Oh, 12:30. 35 past 12. 40 past 12.
Mum.
45 past 12. 50 past 12. 55 past 12. 1 o'clock.
I am a two-digit number. I have two of the same numbers. I am the highest two-digit number. Can you guess it?
Generation Doll by Willow. What does it look like? Made of plastic. Long brown hair, big brown eyes, pink ballerina dress with hearts, pink flower in her hair. What does it do? My doll sits and stands. You can change her clothes and her shoes. You can also brush her hair. It's used for playing with. Where did it come from? I got my doll for my birthday, but you can buy them from Kmart or online. Did you know she is 18 inches tall? They are made in China. Their eyes opened and closed. Their arms and legs move. There are several dolls. There are lots of outfits and accessories.
First we have the 5-cent coin. Then we have the 10-cent coin. 20-cent coin. 50-cent coin. $1 coin. And the $2 coin. Then the $5 note. Then the $10 note. Then the $20 note. Then the $50 note. And then the $100 note.
Good girl. So, Miss Smith wants to know, how can you show respect?
Being kind, sharing, doing lots of nice things. Being kind to people.
Yep.
Do the beds, help them if they fell, give them an ice pack, give them a drink. Doing all of these helping stuff.
Yep.
And most of all, care about them.
Oh! Keeps running away from you, Annie.
Yeah. Ow.
Okay, we ready? This is it. This is the one.
And this one says,
Doing really well. Good girl.
this one says,
Say hi, Mr. Smithert.
I think this
Practicing our basketball. Ready? Mr. Smithert wants to know, what do you think respect is?
I would say for that is care for people and care for all the stuff for it.
Good job, Annie.
And care of a land
Yeah.
to make sure a land doesn't break apart.
Good job.
Thank you, Mr. Sniffer, for watching.
That was a good answer. Good girl.
Hi guys, today we're going to be making some homemade lava lamps. So what you will need is some oil, water, food colouring and denture tablets. So first we are going to be adding some oil into our cup, but not all the way.
That's all right, Bubby.
Next we're going to be adding some little bit
bit more.
Next we're going to get
Livy, can you help Alice add a tiny bit more water?
Is it this much, Mummy?
A little bit more, Seth.
Next, we're going to be adding our food colouring. Yes. Make sure you only do little drops at a time, not tip it all in. Bit more, guys. Okay, next we're going to be adding our tablet in. Whole. And now you can watch the lava lamp grow. I mean, get made.
Oh my god, that's so cool how it comes up. It looks like smoke from a volcano.
Mine colour.
It's freezing the whole world up.
Look.
Whoa.
My colour looks like. My colour looks like
Lava.
As you can see, the
lava.
some of
and
it's
blood.
coming up to form like a fuzzy bit on at the top, and then it will soon be coming back down. See?
Where's the fuzzy shield?
Cool one.
It's starting to
fuzzy
come
shield.
down.
And my fuzzies. I have a fuzzy shield. Oh,
Alice,
it's
look at
dropping
yours.
down now.
Alice, you're missing yours.
Oh, look, it's dropping down. What's this dropping down now?
Get your finger out of it, Pip.
Pete. No, you got fizz on you.
Well, two colours are cool, but mine has to be different.
Wait, you added both of yours in, Liv?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Wait, I'm gonna try tiny with Alice's.
And soon it will all stop.
Alright, let's now, Seth, see what happens.
Whoa.
Oh, you're switching colours up. No, you took 6 colours. Okay, that's all.
Oh, it's not going down.
It's like
Oh, look at that one.
Oh, look, it's turning purple. It's turning purple. It's turning purple. Wait, I want to try green leaf. I want to try blue.
Liv, do you want to step out the way for a second? There we go.
Oh, look at this thing.
It's like darkest purple.
Alice, do you want to move your head, sweetie? There we go. Yeah.
Whoa! Look at the top of mine.
Seth, do you want to scoot out the way so we can see yours?
Oh,
Scoot off to your
top
side.
of mine.
I want to try yours.
Pippa, out the way for a second. Move out the way so I can see the back of your thing.
I need to try people's good mine.
Okay, I set a challenge a few weeks ago for the kids at home in grade 3 to 6 to learn how to juggle, and Tia and Lily have been practicing at school, so we're going to have a look at them in a minute. My challenge was for you to get 2 beanbags up like this for a start and swap over. We went from there to going 1, 2, 3, getting a third one. So 1, 2, 3 and swapping. And then once they've mastered that, it should look like this. So being able to juggle and just throw them all over at the right height. Now, what I found interesting about it was we had a few kids at school and they were practicing at lunchtimes. They practiced over and over, and these girls over here went from not being able to juggle at all. They couldn't even juggle two. And now, after a few weeks of practice, have a look how well they juggle now. So it just goes to show that practice can make perfect. What a great challenge these girls have actually taken on, and they've mastered it. So congratulations, girls. Well done.